Hello everyone. Now we can see about soil profile. What is soil profile? That is nothing. It has only stratified horizons. Horizons means the topmost point. That is the mixture of horizons leads to the formation of soil horizon. So it is first classified into five horizons. The first one is O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and R horizon. First one is the topmost layer of the horizon is O horizon. What is O horizon? Organic rich horizon or organic horizon. That is humes. The we can see the description. It consists of fresh. Fresh means newly or partial. That is partial decomposition. We'll take the partial differentiation. Like so. Partial differentiation means dou x by dou v by dou x. That is except x all are constant. Like so. The partially we are differentiating. Like so. The partially decomposed matters and that are seen in the topmost horizon. That is O horizon. Further, the O horizon is classified into two types. First one is O1 horizon and O2 horizon. What is O1 horizon? The O1 horizon that consists of freshly fallen leaves, flowers, and fruits. O2 horizon. What is O2 horizon? It consists of dead plants, animals, and their excreta. And that excretors and dead plants and animals are decomposed by the microorganisms. But this O horizon is usually absent in deserts and agricultural lands. Why? In agricultural land, they are constantly removing the topmost soil. So, these horizons are usually absent. Second horizon is A horizon. What is A horizon? That is least horizon. That is the top soil, often rich with minerals and humus. What is humus? Decomposition, humidification process. Yes. It is a topmost soil with humus, living creature and inorganic material. It consists of humus and inorganic materials like minerals, phosphate, silica, and A2. A1 and A2 it is further classified into A1 and A2 like so. The first horizon A1 dark and rich in organic matters because it consists of mixture of organic and mineral matters. It is light colored because small size mineral particles. That is A1 is dark in color due to the mixture of inorganic and minerals. A2 is light in color reason due to the large sized mineral particles. So it is usually dark in color. So third one is B horizon. What is B horizon? Accumulation horizon or subsoil, pure in humus. It consists of iron, aluminium, silica, rich clay and organic compounds. So it is poor in humus. The next one is C horizon, that is partially weathered horizon. That is no animals and plants live in that horizon. That is, it consists of parent minerals or soil composed of little amount of organic matter with no life form. That is, no life forms with a few organic materials. And last one is R horizon. That is parent material bedrock. That is where the water is seen. That horizon is called parent bed horizon. That is underground water is seen in that region. Okay, quick revision. What is soil profile? It is commonly stratified into horizons at different depths. So, and there are different depths. So we will name it as horizons. and it consists of physical, chemical, and biological properties. The succession of superimposed horizons is called plan profile. It consists of O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and R horizon. Description: in O horizon, we can see the partially or fully decomposed organic matter. Further, O horizon is classified into O1 horizon and O2 horizon. O1 horizon, we can see dark fleshly fallen leaves, fruits, and twigs. On O2 horizon, we can see dead plants and animals and excreta decomposed by the particular microorganisms. But O2 horizons is usually absent in desert and agriculture fields. And next one is A horizon, that is least horizon, the topmost soil, often soil rich in humus and minerals. It consists of topmost soil, humans, living creatures, and inorganic material. Like so, organic horizon, it is also classified into A1 horizon and A2 horizon. A1 horizon is usually rich in color because it always mixes with inorganic materials with organic combination of both inorganic and minerals. And A2 horizon, light colored layer with small sized minerals. B horizon, it consists of iron, aluminium, silica rich clay and organic compounds. C horizon, it's a parent mineral, it consists of parent material of soil, that is the topmost layer of the soil, and composed a little amount of organic matters without life forms. There is no life forms in the C horizon. And what about R horizon? It is the undermost layer of the soil which has the ability to produce underground water, so only we will get water. So it is a last layer, and this is all about soil horizon. Hope you understand this session. Thank you.